welcome to this special episode. Storyboard and Twitter presents Best of Tweets, Brands Leading the Way. 2021 has been a roller coaster of a year with many ups and downs. It also gave us an opportunity to reflect, reimagine and reset our world, to gauge the impact of this shift on our businesses and to understand how brands are pivoting their strategies and realigning them in today's digital-first world. Twitter looked at the most impactful and memorable marketing campaigns through Best of Tweets 2021. Twitter is what's happening in the world and what people are talking about. The audience on Twitter shapes and moves conversations that matter. As brands have continued their digital-first approach, in many ways, Twitter has become the go-to space for brands to stay relevant amongst consumers, leveraging services real-time conversational nature along with its customizable suite of ad products. This year, we witnessed a pool of groundbreaking brand work that surpassed creative touchstones and also left a mark on audiences' hearts and minds. As we wrap up 2021, Twitter has looked at some of the most memorable and impactful marketing campaigns throughout the year in Best of Tweets 2021, Brands Leading the Way. To discuss this and more, we have Rishabh Sharma, Head of Twitter Next India, with us today. Welcome, Rishabh.
Thank you for having me on the show, Shibani.
Rishabh, this has been an interesting year for brands all across. Talk to us about some of the highlights and those special moments that stood out for you this year.
Yeah, one, it is always a pleasure to take a moment and look back at the year, especially through the lens of business and creativity. And it has been some year. And like you perfectly just summarized, there are a few patterns, if I were to term them as highlights and perhaps moments that will continue to matter for years to come. Now, millions of conversations happen on Twitter and in India every day. These conversations, you put them all together and it tells us and informs us how the world is changing and evolving. Now, what we also see, these conversations enable us to look into consumer insights, pattern, and actually prepare what we call as insights for brands to leverage and design their campaigns on Twitter. As recently this year, when we released Twitter Trends in 2021, we did identify 6 key trends that were shaping the public conversation. And I'll just name a few of them. The focus on well-being, the focus on self-care, everything that we have done in the last few years that has enabled us to live a better life, look forward to health before everything else, and moving on to other trends that are focused on creator culture, uplifting idea and voices, identity, embracing your own self, caring for the planet, all about sustainability. Now, these are some of the trends, as I mentioned, are topics that brands did aim to connect with, if not all, but perhaps a piece of it. Now, if I were to go a bit deeper into what we saw, or even from our team perspective, what we saw as highlights, let's start from purpose, right? Purpose is a word that we often hear in the advertising and marketing ecosystem. But what we are seeing now, and as recently as this year, is purpose is a consistent theme in messaging now, and it's no longer just a brand campaign. This was bound to happen. We have seen growing trust deficit amongst the consumers, and the demand on the brand to increasingly and consistently contribute to the society is at large. And now this is far more deep-rooted. You see every initiative, every message that a brand and a marketer puts out, you see them do that from a lens of inclusion and diversity. On the second part, we are seeing diversification in content from the brands and how they're going about doing it. Now, audiences on Twitter come from diverse backgrounds, speak many languages, and of course, they engage in multitude of conversations. Now, when it comes to these fans, as you would call them, fans who speak in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, among many of the languages, these are some of the most passionate and engaged audiences on Twitter. And brands are acknowledging that. They are designing campaigns as diverse. They are creating strategies and destinations that are paying ode to that fandom. And a great case in point there is Netflix tapping into this culture unit and announcing Netflix India South a handle on Twitter that is dedicated to celebrate the fandom for Southern cinema. And if we were to look beyond India, Spotify dedicating account for all things K-pop across Southeast Asia. And if I were to conclude with one last thing beyond purpose, beyond diversification, is brands just keeping it real, simple, and human. In India, we've often looked at these brands as only a few of them, as brands we have celebrated as socially best in class, those who have been able to dissect and deconstruct the social audience earlier. However, this is no longer restricted to those few brands. We are seeing emerging brands, brands from the SMB communities, leading brands, more and more brands embracing humanness, creating a distinguished space on Twitter that is culturally relevant, and connecting with moments authentically.
Absolutely. Those are some great insights, Rishabh. Also, you know, since we are speaking to each other on the Best of Tweets special episode, can you share with us how this property has evolved over the years and specifically in the past 2 years?
Yeah, to start with the name itself, Best of Tweets was recently coined as a global property last year. Now, we've always looked at brands at the year end across many years and celebrated best-in-class work in order to demonstrate the service potential and inspire marketers to create human-centric work worth talking about. Going forward, as with majority of the products, there is an evolution life cycle. Same goes for Best of Tweets. What we noticed was what is great work, or what was great work a few years back, is perhaps table stakes now, right? And that just is a testament to the creativity and the opportunity that the marketers have been leveraging across the timeline. When we look inside that, what we see is clear and emerging patterns on how brands are connecting and launching on Twitter. Now, we were also very intentional about how do we qualify and how do we bring these categories alive. And there are two broad things that I will want to touch upon there. One is to go beyond numbers, right? Sometimes when you celebrate work, you often looked at that with a quantitative lens. We wanted to see and unpack the layers of a campaign. If there was a video campaign, what was beyond the numbers? How relevant was the message with the audience? What was the media plan look like? And the brand's potential and the brand's usage of Twitter advertising suite of products. So it's a combination of multiple factors that has really evolved this property and this year-end Best of Tweets that we do for brands. And lastly, one clear trend as recently as these years, we are seeing emerging brands feature more and more in not just in our nomination, but perhaps even winning some of the categories. That is a true demonstration to say how brands are actually leveraging and connecting with some of their consumers, their interest and objectives and goals across the Twitter's full funnel solution.
All right, Rishabh, now let's not keep our viewers waiting any longer. And we have been talking about the process of Best of Tweets. Let's quickly unveil the brand categories for Best of Tweets 2021. Rishabh, now I know that you have on your end identified some of the campaigns that caught your eye and attention and won over everyone's hearts across multiple categories. Can you walk us through how you define these categories for the year and the campaigns that really stood out?
As we go about designing the year-end categories, is to capture every single objective that a brand is able to achieve today across Twitter's full funnel solution. Right? Now, let me break down how we actually go closer to those categories, starting with innovation. Today, knowing the public and conversational nature of Twitter, first thing that the brand today is aiming to do is push the technological boundaries and see how they can connect with consumers in new and different ways, right? So what does an idea look there? What defines as an idea that is best in class, that is unique and central to Twitter? Moving forward, we often speak about launches and connect. There is a launch every single month in the country. You would see brands like Samsung, Oppo, and Vivo, or automobile brands like Hyundai, Kia, MG Motors, all of these brands consistently launch products on Twitter, driving immediate awareness for their products and services. So what does a great product launch looks? What defines a great product launch, right? And moving forward to connect, there are niche moments on Twitter. There are occasions, cultural occasions to connect with. There are events, sporting events to connect with. So we looked at all these categories and started defining what defines as a great current campaign across a cultural occasion, across a sporting moment, and even go beyond, how do we acknowledge brands that are first to a Twitter's product feature? How the brands that are leveraging the new lineup of features and product enhancements that are happening and happening rapidly this year.
Also, Rishabh, as we look at all of these campaigns that left a mark this year, can you tell us how brands have tapped into conversations and communities creatively and leveraged Twitter this year to launch something new in a bigger way or connect with what's happening?
Let me break that down into how significant and diverse these conversations are. Let's start from online shopping, right? Something that continues to grow. Will grow for many years to come, and it's a behavior none of us are leaving behind. When we look at online shopping, and just in India, we saw over 13.5 million conversations. Now that's significant, and brands are taking notice. To illustrate an example, Flipkart India, their flagship sale, Big Billion Days sale, is a perfect case study to say how they were able to personalize and connect with fans on Twitter, where every time you engage with the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale, you were able to unlock personalized offers, something that we all do as we look forward to build our virtual shopping carts before a massive sale weekend. Now that's about shopping. Let's move forward to sports. As recently as Olympics, the tournament that brought us immense pride as a country, and no surprise that globally we saw around 82 billion impressions around conversation related to the Olympics. And a brand in India, Thumbs Up consistently connected with both Olympics and Paralympics as they took over Twitter, launched takeover campaigns to extend their support to the athletes playing on behalf of the country. And lastly, you can never leave cricket out of a conversation. And as heartbreaking as India's early exit from the tournament, the conversations continue to rise, right? Pre-tournament, during, and post. We saw over 75 million conversations. That is huge. Amphy. Now, Amphy has been consistently launching video-first campaigns on Twitter, where they are able to seamlessly integrate their banking messages around mutual funds as much as connect with the cricket fandom on the timeline. So all of these put together, the communities and the conversations, we are seeing brands are actually finding their niche and connecting and designing for these conversations.
Okay. Rishabh, we are few days shy of the new year. Lastly, before you go, can you quickly tell us what's keeping you excited for 2022?
2021 has been a really exciting year. And one clear reason for that has been the speed and the number of features and product that our teams have actually just published at a lightning speed. And that alone is something that excites us and excites me personally, as we are very laser focused on ensuring Twitter is the preferred destination for every brand in India to launch new products, services, and messages, and connect with vast majority of moments that are happening right now, will happen perhaps tomorrow, and the world will be speaking about them. And as I wrap up, to leverage all of this opportunity, how we think together with our audience, keeping technology at the core of our thinking, and together with our channel partners, we will look to innovate, design, and build bespoke solutions for every single brand in the country. And that's a really exciting part to be on.
All right, Rishabh, thank you so much. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Shubhani.
Let's now shift our focus to brands that stood out in each of the categories.
A brand that is human-centric, socially engaged and connected with the society in an authentic way to drive meaningful impact.
After waves of loss and despair earlier this year, people wanted to know they were safe. Understanding that people come to Twitter in search of information, Google India used their credibility and the service's reach to share updates around COVID-19, encourage people to practice caution and enable them with updates around vaccination, made them aware of isolation protocols and more. Through Twitter, the brand not only enabled audience to stay safe and informed, but also engaged them in a way that created meaningful and lasting impact, winning it a spot on this year's Best of Tweets.
As you know, we as Google, we really care about providing access to information. Our mission is to make information universally accessible to everyone. And it goes without saying that this year, being as complicated as it was, that Twitter and the essential aspect of engagement with our users was immensely important this year. And 3 to 4 things really stood out when we thought about our strategy of ensuring that people and users and everyone within India had the right information. First, Twitter's ability to amplify some of the features that we were launching to help people find information when they needed it most. As COVID deepened and on the back of an unprecedented surge in digital adoption, there really became an urgent need and a demand for information on how to protect oneself, vaccinations, healthcare facilities. And outside of the pandemic, we launched several efforts as Google across our platforms to make sure that people could access the latest, the most authoritative information, vital safety and vaccination messages, testing and vaccination centers. And Twitter became an important channel for us to keep people abreast every time we were releasing new features as soon as they were rolled out. Now, Twitter's very uniquely multilingual in terms of platform. And as our products become more available and more Indian languages, when we think about communicating, really communicating with local language users in different ways across the board and thinking about short content is very important. Twitter becomes an incredible outlet for us across languages, across segments, but at the most important time when we know that users are looking for information.
Brand ideas that fall apart without Twitter and leverage the platform's unique behavior.
To stay top of the mind, brands go all out in making consumers the core of the conversations they are starting. And what better way to do that than on Twitter? This year, not 1 but 2 brands stood out with custom created only on Twitter campaigns. For its flagship annual sale Big Billion Days, Flipkart used a customized events page on Twitter, inviting people to the Big Billion Muqabla. Creating this timeline of tweets, the brand kept its audience engaged and excited by prompting them to like the tweet with their favorite products in order to unlock exciting offers every day. And then introducing second season of One Mic Stand on Prime, Amazon Prime Video also brought its audience to a center stage, asking them to vote for their favorite celebrity from the season's lineup by liking tweets in a 4-day-long real-time voting thread. These votes, over 41,000 in just 4 days, were broadcasted in Twitter's live